open this book. I want to do an unboxing. It's my first time unboxing an Indigo box. So I already know what I'm getting because I bought it, but I decided to use my birthday discount for it. So, this is how it works. Oh my god, this book is huge. Anyway, she's like, I'll just take it out of the box. Okay, she looks the only critique I could say about shipping from Indigo is that they should have put padding around it. I prefer like some kind of padding around the book, but whatever. It's not ripped up, it's fine. I see some dents on the cover, but whatever, it's fine. As long as it's not damaged, but it didn't come with padding. Anyway, this is I haven't read a fiction fantasy book in like ages, like since I was like in high school and such, so yeah. We're gonna try this book out. I heard really good reviews on it, so I'm excited to read it. Hopefully it's good. There's like over like 200 reviews on this book, and apparently it's amazing, so I really want to try this out. I think it's a series of 3 books. Yeah. Anyway, looks good. And yeah, I got it from, and oh, I can't show you my address, but Indigo.